Creating a bestseller collection in Shopify involves curating a selection of products that have consistently performed well in terms of sales. Here's how you can do it. Access Shopify Admin. Log into your Shopify Admin account. Navigate to Collections. From your Shopify Admin, go to Products Collections. Create new collection. Click on the Create Collection button. Enter collection details. Provide a title for your collection, such as bestsellers. You can also add a description to highlight the collection's purpose. Define collection conditions. Scroll down to the conditions section. Here, you will define the conditions that products must meet to be included in the collection. Choose the condition product title, product type, or product tag and specify keywords or tags associated with your best-selling products. Save collection. Once you've set the conditions, click on the Save button to create the collection. Add products. After creating the collection, you can manually add products to it by selecting them from your product list or set up automatic conditions based on sales performance. Customize collection display. Customize the layout and appearance of your bestseller collection to make it visually appealing and easy to navigate for customers.